Okay, we ready to roll?
Yeah.
Now my eyes are bright from the sun. I took a peek at it and it was like, now I'm seeing stars. The dream that Canadian Youth Network has is that every young person in Canada has an opportunity to experience the love of God, respond to the gospel, and be discipled in a healthy church environment. We do that by serving the local church, supporting youth pastors as they develop spiritually healthy teens. We want youth leaders to be intentional about the ministry that they have. It's not our job to work with the students, it's the youth pastors. We come alongside and help the youth pastor by helping them be strategic. We provide some resources for them and we encourage them. The community that I grew up in had the highest death rate per capita of teenagers. And 3 of those young people at one point in my life were my best friend, and I realized I'd never shared my faith with them. It made me sit back and ask the question, is this my faith or is this my parents' faith? Is God real or is he not? If he's real, I need to live for him. And I started studying scripture, I started researching other religions, I started to come to the conclusion that Jesus was God. And from that point on, I made a commitment to live for him, to do ministry. I got into ministry full time. And as a youth pastor, I was very passionate about sharing my faith with others. Probably the biggest thing that we do as Canadian Youth Network is we pastor youth pastors. We have youth pastors that would call us on a regular basis, probably meeting with 1 or 2 at least a week, who contact us and want to get together and talk about their youth ministry or their personal life or situations that are going on in their church. Also, we provide a coaching opportunity for some of these pastors. We can work in partnership with the local church. We'll meet with them for a couple of years. 2 years, we'll help them develop an intentional youth ministry over 6 months. Then what we do over the next 1.5 years is we work with them as they implement that plan. Then we start talking about things like spiritual formation. What's your relationship with God? Are you growing in your relationship? If you're not growing in your relationship with God, how are you going to be teaching, inspiring, and helping kids grow in their relationship with God? We also run a number of events. We've had a lunch tour that we've run for 7 years now. We provide an opportunity where youth leaders can come and they can interactively talk about key youth ministry issues. In the fall, we have a Change Conference. It happens in October. On the Friday night, we have what we call the Friday Night Change Party. The Friday Night Change Party is focused entirely on evangelism. We want young people to come and have a great time, but we also want to communicate the gospel and give them an opportunity to respond. 7 years ago, a student became a Christian at our Change Conference, and now they're a director at a camp. And that's an incredible story. If youth pastors lived an authentic Christian life, if they ran a model ministry that's modeled after Jesus' ministry, if they worked together with other youth pastors to impact their community, and then they encouraged and shared the vision with communities around them, if that happened in communities right across the country, we'd be able to accomplish our goal.